Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Charge both Airpods and case to about 50% or more and sit within 3 meters of your phone so signal issues are minimized. Once done, turn Bluetooth off, wait 5 seconds, then turn it back on. Make sure to forget the Airpods in Bluetooth settings so you can pair fresh. You do this because residual profiles or low battery often cause drops. Resetting the connection state clears cached handshakes and reduces the chance of immediate disconnects. Next, perform a deep reset to clear persistent pairing data. With the case lid open, press and hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the status light blinks amber, then white. After that, make sure your phone or laptop has the latest OS updates. Airpods firmware updates often install automatically, but check the version in settings to confirm. Once updated, repair the Airpods, then play audio and place a quick call to verify stability. This process fixes many. Finally, tackle environmental and device-specific causes. You should reduce wireless interference by moving away from crowded 2.4 GHz sources, or switch your router to 5 GHz if possible. Bluetooth coexists better when channels are less busy. Make sure to test the Airpods with a second device to confirm whether the phone or earbuds are at fault. If they still disconnect, contact support or pursue warranty replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: try using a wired headset briefly to confirm the issue is wireless and not app or code.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.